Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will going to show you that how to like delete the folders from Google Drive, but without deleting the folder in the actual computer, right? So let's say if you have backup your devices, if your laptop folder into a Google Drive in a kind of an application. So I'm using a Google Drive application, and as you can see, I have what I have done. I have my laptop, which is you can say my base laptop, in which I have folders, and from that laptop I have backup a kind of a folder. Now I am using this Google Drive in different laptop, which is, let's say, my office laptop. And I am what I'm doing, I am now I have the access to the folders that I have backup in my home laptop. Now what you can do, if you delete something over here, let's say if I delete this, what will happen, this folder will also get deleted from your main laptop. So you don't need to do that. If you want to, let's say, remove this folder from the Google Drive without deleting the folder, what you can do, just right click on that and click on offline access, click on available offline. So now you can see that now this cloud option has been removed, and let's say I will offline provide this also as offline. I will go back. Okay, so as you can see, this cloud option has been removed. So in this way, what you can do, you can just let's say whatever folder that you want as offline, you can, or let's say you want to remove from the Google Drive, but you want it in your laptop, you can just click on that, click on available offline, and that will do your purpose. It will not remove the folder from your main laptop, but it can remove the folder from your Google Drive. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Viceman. Thank you.